Chapter 1. The Problem. In the midst of World War II in 1942, the British Royal Air Force, RAF, faced a formidable challenge. The Germans had fortified their industrial complexes in the Ruhr Valley, making conventional bombing raids futile. It was evident that a new strategy was urgently needed to cripple the German war machine. Chapter 2. The Ingenious Idea. Dr. Barnes Wallis, a brilliant scientist and engineer, stepped forward with a daring proposal. He envisioned a revolutionary plan that involved breaching the heavily fortified dams of the Ruhr Valley using a specially designed bouncing bomb. This bomb would skip across the water's surface like a stone, allowing it to evade the protective nets placed in front of the dams and then sink before reaching the dam wall. Upon sinking, the bomb would explode underwater, creating a shockwave that could rupture the dam's structure. Chapter 3. The Formation of the Dambusters. With the concept in place, the RAF needed a leader for this audacious mission. Wing Commander Guy Gibson was selected to head the operation. He embarked on the task of assembling a team of skilled pilots and crews, each of whom would undergo rigorous training in low-level flying and precision bombing. This exceptional group of airmen soon became known as the Dambusters. Chapter 4. The Challenge of Bouncing Bomb Development. The Dambusters faced a series of daunting challenges in the development of the bouncing bomb. They worked tirelessly to perfect the bomb's design, conducting numerous experiments and facing various setbacks along the way. It was a race against time, as the success of the entire operation hinged on the reliability of the bomb. Chapter 5. Countdown to the Daring Raid. As the mission date drew near, tension mounted among the Dambusters. The gravity of the task weighed heavily on their shoulders. They knew that the odds were stacked against them, as they would be flying at dangerously low altitudes to avoid enemy radar and anti-aircraft fire. Dr. Wallis, back home, anxiously awaited news of the mission, believing that its success could be a turning point in the war. Chapter 6. The Daring Raid. On the night of May 16, 1943, the Dambusters embarked on their audacious mission. Flying their Lancaster bombers at perilously low altitudes, they faced a barrage of anti-aircraft fire and enemy fighter planes. However, their training and determination prevailed, and they managed to breach the Möhne and Eder dams. The explosions caused significant damage and unleashed devastating floods in the Ruhr Valley. Chapter 7. The Sacrifices Made. The success of the raid came at a heavy cost. Several aircraft and brave crew members were lost during the perilous mission. Wing Commander Gibson's own aircraft was hit, but he heroically managed to release his bomb before crashing. The sacrifices made by these courageous men were a stark reminder of the price of victory. Chapter 8. The Aftermath and Reflection. The mission's success was celebrated as a remarkable feat of bravery and ingenuity. Yet, there was a somber reflection on the sacrifices made in the name of freedom. Dr. Wallis, too, pondered the human cost of his invention. The film's poignant ending depicted the Dambusters flying into the night, symbolizing the indomitable spirit of those who participated in Operation Chastise and the enduring legacy of their heroism. The Dambusters is a poignant tribute to the bravery and innovation that defined the RAF pilots and Dr. Barnes Wallis, whose bouncing bomb played a pivotal role in disrupting German industry during one of the most critical periods in history, World War II.